life is eternal, and one who simply takes the command of the life system on his own hand, desire, he may devalue himself. First of all, he never created a life by himself. How does he have right to take life? He has no authority. So even though if one does out of anything that is materially pressing him or defaming him, which is as good as death, he wants to take his life, then first of all he forgets that he is an eternal person and he cannot kill the soul. He can kill the body, but kill the soul means those who are atmahas. Atmaha means one who kills the soul. Prematurely killing the soul by killing animals just for food is also an atmaha. But one who remains ignorant about himself, not come to realize his real identity, he is also an atmaha. He is also an atmaha. Means, first of all, they are ignorant, and atmaha is also remaining ignorant. So ignorance is no excuse to be punished. So for a person who commits suicide, he is not happy in this life, he is not going to be happy in the next life. Not only that, he will be rotting in the hellish condition for many, many births, many, many lifetimes. So, such attempts of committing suicide is not natural, it is artificially imposed by ignorance. They are failure, what they call. Material failure. Failure does not mean spiritual failure. If one is spiritually alive, even though there is material failure, then he can cross over this life of ignorance and go back home, back to Godhead. So it is a very ignorant act which is not of any benefit to the soul or to the body. So it's a useless living entity.